Okay, have you ever asked the rain or a man about his pain? The response is probably no, but the reason you should know. Actually, both are good at hiding their feelings, so understand their signs and know their meanings. Oceans of droplets hiding in their eyes, sacrifices for elevation you should realize. Don't get angry if they don't reply. They just can't express and are a little bit shy. Crying in the dark and smiling in the bright. I hope you got it right. Ask the rain, why do you ignore those cries? Stealing homes from a homeless, are you a curse or a bliss? Your arrival maintains the water spiral. Farmer's friend, never a rival. Assists the survival, living and breathless. Are you really a curse or a bliss? In last, I request you, please ask the rain or a man about his pain. However, the response will be the same.